our buddy Stuart from T1. He's out here with the S2000. Last pass he just did, he just broke the S2000 world record in the half mile with 189. It was a bad pass. His goal today is 200. $193. He just broke the record again. His goal is 200 though.
Honda things?
S2000 thing.
It's getting faster.
It's weird. Usually draggy in the event timing is like really close, but draggy said went like 197.7.
It sounded like it was breaking up a little bit on the short track. Maybe that's traction control?
Yeah, I wanted it on the limiter for the traction control stuff because
Gotcha.
The first pass it bogged a little bit. I know that wheel speed's going to help out a lot down track, so I wanted it on the limiter all the way down if possible. So
I'm digging the black. Looks really good, especially with those wheels. Came out real nice.
Finally had to change it up after 5 or 6 years.
So remind us for like the 19th time, what do you got going on here? I know it's different every time we see it.
Yeah,
but
so it hasn't really changed a whole lot. So it's still the factory F22, same block and crank that came
no
with the car.
2JZ or 5.7 or
no swap.
Okay.
Still the same crank that the car came from the showroom with, same block from the showroom.
Really?
So,
that's impressive.
Really the main thing.
Better knock out some wood roll.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's pretty basic on the short block. Just a good choice of rod and pistons, and then Watt Shop built the cylinder head that does all of our GTR stuff at T1. So it's got some custom Freya valve train stuff in it, and then just a off-the-shelf BC cams. So it's got a 68 mil, 67.9 mil Zona rotor turbo. Those guys have been phenomenal to deal with. We're pretty well out of air up here. I think I committed full boost that time. I don't think it reached it, but we'll see. Obviously, it's got the Quake sequential, which is helping a ton.
That's a game changer.
Especially out here, which is honestly the main reason I went with a 6-speed sequential. Is because I want to do the half mile, and with 5 shifts, they've got to be really good shifts.
Yeah.
So it's geared. It should be geared perfectly to do 200 if it had the power, which obviously it doesn't right now. 100% stock Nissan R200 rear end with DSS axles. Just
R200 rear. What's that from?
Out of an NA300ZX.
Interesting.
So it's a 30-year-old diff in there that's been 820s and a quarter, been drifted around all the streets of Dallas.
Really?
Takes me to work out here doing this.
Huh.
So it's got a carbon drive shaft shop, main drive shaft, DSS 5.9 axles. So it's obviously still IRS, still drives like an S2000. It's really fun. So that pass was a 193, which is definitely the S2000 record in a half mile by a pretty good chunk. I think 6 or 7 miles an hour. Evan, that you guys are probably familiar with, the 2J S2000. Sucks, man. He had really bad luck and his car caught on fire.
Yeah.
So I'm going to send a log to Tony from T1 and just tell him to control plus everything, more timing, more boost. Yeah. So they got the competition class out here, so I'll keep doing that for the rest of today and see how it does.
I know. Keep getting faster. We'll be watching.
Appreciate it.
Good luck, Stuart.
All right, our buddy Stuart from T1 is up here with his S2000. He has broken the S2000 record twice today. 187? I can't remember what the first pass is. And 192 or 193. That was also the new record. He's going for 200, which would obliterate the record.
Oh my God, 195 miles an hour.
195! He's broke the record every single pass he's come out. 3 passes, 3 new records right there.
I know what you're missing for your 200.
What?
There you go.
Dude,
you just need a unicorn.
Wish I had my tape to...
Worked on Rocky Mountain Race Week. No, you just got to stick it somewhere in the car.
Alright, this is the 2-wheel drive final right here. Like I said, Vengeance Z06, did 206 earlier, versus Stuart in the S2000. I think he did 197 is his best so far.
192 for the near lane.
192 for Stuart, 204 for Vengeance. Pretty good.
Hola.
Give me the unicorn.
He was on board
Yeah,
for me.
unicorn's going to timeout. Didn't work. I tried at least.
You tried.
Tried at least.
I think it's just hot, man.
Yeah, it got real hot and greasy out here.
But it's fun. I mean, you can't really ask for a.
Hell yeah.
He's probably I think he got me by a fender or so at the finish.
That was a cool side-by-side race
yeah,
for sure.
That's super cool. Super nice guy. So congrats to them.
Yeah. When are you gonna see polar opposite cars line up like that?
Yeah.
That was nuts.
I think when he came into boost, I think it actually pulled my car over to him because the engine is so big. God,
just sucking all the air over.
Yeah, it wasn't fair.
That was a good day.
Now I get to go drink beer.
Yeah, and you broke the record like 4 times, right?
I did do that. I broke it I didn't break it the last pass.
Yeah. Good runs, man.
I can't complain.
Woo! Nice work. Nice work.
Second place.
Story of my life.
Oh my God.
That's a push it to the start line in this race.
Simon, what do you hit?
197.
197.
Damn it.
Yeah, 200. Here we go. Come on, Stuart, 200.
Are we making sure anybody that's going record hasn't before
damn it.
getting set?
Nice burnout, Stu. Nice burnout. All right. He's done like 197, 198. He did 199 on his draggy.
Letting out.
Was that the wingless attempt?
Yeah.
Didn't like it?
No.
So
I
you
got into
hesitate half
fourth and
track.
it was just like, I was like, let me see how it feels in fifth. And it's just,
Yeah, I heard you hesitate on that one shift.
yeah. So it's going back on.
All right, Stuart. I want to see 200 out of this thing. Here we go.
Oh, so close. 198.85.
With 199.6 on draggy.
Are you serious? 0.4 mile an hour.
So I haven't messed with the tune since the second pass yesterday.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get a hold of Tony and see if he's got some hey, this probably
There's
isn't-
always more timing to go.
Yeah. See if this is hey, probably not a great idea, Matt.
No.
Do it anyways. Car feels great though. So
Good.
it keeps going faster and faster. I'm not gonna load on the trailer when it's improving.
0.4 mile an hour.
0.4.
Here we go. So at lunch Just a few minutes ago, Stuart walked up and said, I found out some information on my car. Tony sent me a tune file last night, and he forgot to load the new tune file into his car this morning. So all first 4 hours of the day had been on yesterday's tune. So now it's actually turned up, and we're gonna see him go 200 right now.
Oh. 197.
197! Come on! All right, next time, Stuart, I'm just gonna I'm gonna push the rear bumper just a little bit. I'm gonna push the hatch or something.
Where'd he go?
Just gonna give it a little push.
197. Oh man.
Okay, it's 197.4 here at the starting line. His draggy probably says 199 or something like that, but still not 200.
Definitely had more power down low.
Did it?
What? Jesus, you were spinning for like 300 feet.
Maybe I'll launch at a lower RPM then.
It looked pretty rowdy.
It sounds cool inside. Maybe I didn't do as good of a burnout then.
It was very rowdy
Maybe
down
I'll
low.
do a really sick burnout.
There you go.
Most should be cooled off enough.
Send it.
Well, if he doesn't hit 200 this pass, it won't be because he didn't do a good burnout, because that was pretty damn good.
looks great.
196.
196? All right. It's kind of sad when a Honda that's still Honda powered only does 196 and we're not happy with it.
I didn't do it. Too much power?
Just that DA is getting too bad.
Oh, damn it.
I mean, it's all in. So I can't get mad. I think I made 10 passes this weekend.
All 190 something.
Yeah, I think I made 4
Jesus.
199s today. So
Super impressive.
I can't be mad at it at all, man. This thing's just been taking a beating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congrats on a hell of a weekend, man.
Appreciate it.
That was
Good
impressive.
to see you guys.
Hell
Sucks
yeah.
with the race
Had
schedule so
plenty
far
of fun
this
with
year.
the car, that's for sure.
That's one thing I can't overemphasize. Like, I quarter-mile race this car, half-mile race it, drive it on the street, like
Drive it
this
to
thing
work.
does everything. It still handles really nice. Like,
Super
it's-
impressive. And the stock motor it came with.
yeah, still want a 4-cylinder, but it always thinks it's 2J or LS. And it's,
Yep.
nope. So, but yeah, it's just been great, man. Good parts, the right people behind me. You know, it's. I couldn't
Congrats
ask
on a
for-
hell of a weekend.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Mo?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm a little nervous. This will be the.
Are you going for a ride in this?
Yes. So, minus Mitchell's Escalade, this will be the first 1,000 horsepower car I've ever been in. So I'm.
Power to weight ratio.
Huh?
Power to weight ratio.
Yeah, power to weight ratio is way different in this thing.
It is. I'm honestly speechless because I'm just like, I don't know what to say right now, but I'm just really excited. That's all I can
And
really.
you weren't gonna stay for today.
I wasn't,
But you
yeah.
heard that you could go for a ride in this.
I
and-
got called out by his fiance,
Yep.
and I was like, all right. Can't just call me out like that and I don't stay, so I slept in between 2 little chairs last night in order to do this today, so I'm really excited for sure. So it's definitely going to be a really fun experience for me.
Not just any S2000, the fastest S2000 on Earth in the half mile.
This is definitely a treat for sure.
Hell yeah. Well, don't scream too much. He's adjusting the seat belts to make sure you're safe in there.
You should feel my heart right now. It's getting real!
Hell yeah.
It sounds mean.
You haven't heard anything yet. Now remember, Mo, this is something I drive to work a couple days a week.
This is?
Top down, AirPods in, chill, man.
World's fastest S2K street car. That's gnarly. That's what makes it worth it.
Yep. I'm not doing a full pass. I'm letting off at like 150.
No burnout.
this time, and he's got a passenger. I don't know if he's gonna give it all of it. I hope so.
Oh god, this is crazy. So we'll just roll into it in second. Okay. Actually, what we'll do is we'll take off really slow at first, and we'll let him get way out, and then you'll see how fast we reel him in. Yeah, I was slow in the first couple of gears because I forgot I had it in burnout mode, so I had a limiter on it. So, you know, like a lot of roll rate stuff, you have like, you know, you go 40 rolls, something like that. So, this is what this car will do for like 40. Oh my god! That launch is so hard! This is nuts! That's the quickest thing you've been in? This is the fastest thing I've ever been in. Holy crap! My heart is pounding through my chest. That adrenaline is awesome. Yes, dude. That was fucking crazy. I don't even know how to explain it. Okay, I thought we were. Hey, I gotta get this off.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought we were fully in it at first, but then he actually punched it. We were like in second or something like that. I don't know how I reacted on the GoPro, but my heart is right, and like I'm shaking a little bit right now.
Yes, that's what it's all about.
Oh my gosh,
I had it in burnout mode and I forgot, and I took off. I was like, why are we going so? So I was like, oh shit. So it just
Then you get full power. That makes the experience even crazier though, because like, oh yeah, that's fast. Holy shit.
It's funny because like the Charger thing we were running was like way out there, and I was like, what's going on? And we just flew by him.
Nice. The old racer flyby in the Honda.
Yep.
How appropriate.
I don't think I've ever seen me in a car catch up to another car so quickly.
Yeah.
And so fast. It was honestly insane.
That's perfect. Awesome. Thanks, Stuart.
No problem.
Yes, dude, thank you so much. That was a hell of an experience.
If you're gonna ride it, I'd rather you do it in an event. So
That's true.
Passenger number 2. I have to assume you've been in this before.
I have, not down the track though.
No?
She's never been in it anywhere close to full power.
No, I've only been on it like at home on the highway.
Maybe even made like 600.
She's never been in here full power, Mo. You beat her to the punch. What the hell? You are a horrible boyfriend.
No, that's how much we love Mo.
That is how much they love you.
Why did you let me go first?
Why wouldn't I, Mo?
Because she talked shit on you, and then you showed up, and there you have
You
it.
deserved it. You
Yeah,
deserved
that's right.
to go
Because you're a
first.
fucking winner, Mo.
You are a winner.
I'm a winner.
Yeah.
You are a winner.
I'm a winner.
All right, that's
should
enough of
what?
Mo. It's time for you to go for a ride. Have fun.
Thanks.